Hey, Dr. Kevin Skinner with you. Are you a therapist who works with couples and would like to learn more of how to do intensives? After working with couples for more than 10 years with couples in crisis coming for intensives, I've created what's called the intimacy repair method to help therapists confidently guide clients through the healing after betrayal, infidelity, and compulsive sexual behavior. I invite you to join me as I take a look inside the intensive process where I'll share the tools, the assessments, and interventions that I have found to be helpful with couples who are stuck, who are trying to rebuild a relationship. I would invite you to join me in Heber Valley, Utah, September 15th through the 19th, 2026. Or if you can't make those dates, join me on a 7-day cruise where we'll be at sea for 3 days where we'll do the training, and the other days we'll be able to enjoy Puerto Rico, St. Thomas, and enjoy a cruise together. I hope you'll join me in one of these events to learn how we do intensives and how to apply the intimacy repair method with your clients.